Carestream Vita Flex CR system is a revolutionary technology that has simplified the imaging process in the medical field. But have you ever wondered what the LED indicators on the machine actually mean? Let's dive into the world of Carestream Vita Flex CR system, LED indicators, and decode their meanings. The orange LED light indicates that the machine is powering up and going through the homing process to prepare for the scan. Once the machine is ready for the scan, a steady green LED light will be displayed, giving the signal to proceed with the imaging process. During the scanning process, you will notice a blinking green LED light, indicating that the system is actively capturing images. If you encounter an error in the system, a blinking orange LED light will appear, signaling that there is a malfunction that needs to be addressed promptly. In the case of no communication between components, both the green and orange LEDs will blink simultaneously, highlighting the need for troubleshooting and resolving the issue. Understanding the LED indicators on the Carestream Vita Flex CR system can make the imaging process smoother and more efficient. Next time you encounter these lights, you'll be equipped to interpret their meanings accurately, ensuring seamless operation of the machine. Share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and share our channel for more informative videos.